DWIs are one of the most common offenses that people enter the criminal justice system on, especially in Houston. If you get pulled over for suspicion of DWI, this is what you need to do. If you've been pulled over, there's no rule against asking the officer the reason for why you've been pulled over. Oftentimes, they're going to tell you, but if they don't, try to get them to commit to it. It's fair to want to understand why you're being pulled over in the first place. Second, understand that you do not have to submit to the standardized field sobriety test. Now, I don't know about you, but we all have different skills as far as our ability to balance, and walking a line or balancing on one foot isn't for everybody. Despite these tests being declared standardized, they're just standardized in the way that they're administered. Does not mean that we can all perform accordingly. And so it's okay, and you should not feel guilty to say, I do not want to participate in those tests. You may be asked to submit to a breath or blood test. Now, this is not required. However, if you refuse, the state of Texas will confiscate your license. However, there is a process to get an occupational license, which allows you to travel to and from your home to work. And so instead of providing evidence against you, should always refuse to provide a breath and blood test. One final note, I see a lot of videos where people are refusing to provide their licenses. In the state of Texas, the law has changed. If an officer asks to see your license and you've been pulled over, you should allow them to see your license. It's against the law to not provide that license. So make sure that you're following the law. Don't get in trouble by refusing to provide your license. Here at Varghese Somerset, we handle DWI cases every single day. If you're in this situation, give us a call, 817-203-2220.